Huan Ying Lai Dao, Mi Ren de Yi Zi Shi Ji, Huan Ying Lai Dao Miren de Han Zi Shi Ji. Welcome to the captivating world of Chinese characters. Shui Shi Yi Zi Ke Nang Kan Chi Lai Hen Nan. Shuechi Hanzi Kenang Kan Ki Lai Hen Nan. Learning Chinese might seem difficult, Dan Bi Dan Xin, Dan Bi Dangsin. But don't worry, Wo Men Hui Yin Dao, Ni Wan Cheng Jie Chi Chi Miao De Lu Cheng. Women Hui Yin Dao, Ni Wan Cheng Jie Chi Chi Miao De Lu Cheng. We're here to guide you on this exciting journey. JJK Ju Xiang Ni De Ji Nan Zhen He Di Tu. JJK Ju Xiang Ni De Ji Nan Zhen He Di Tu. This lesson is like your compass and map. Dai Ni Ling Lue Yi Zi De Jing Miao He Mei Li. Dai Ni Ling Lue Hanzi De Jing Miao He Mei Li. Leading you through the intricate and beautiful landscape of Chinese writing. Buxiang Pinyin Wenzi. Buxiang Pinyin Wenzi. Unlike alphabetic languages, Yi Zi Mei Ge Zi Du Dai Biao Yi Ge Chi Huo Yi Ge Gai Nian, Hanzi Mei Ge Zi Du Dai Biao Yi Ge Chi Huo Yi Ge Gai Nian. Each Chinese character represents a word or a concept. Zhexie Yi Zi Bu Jin Jin Shi Fu Hao, Zhexi Hanzi Bu Jin Jin Shi Fu Hao. These characters aren't just symbols. Tamen Shi Jing Mei De Yi Ju Pin, Tamen Shi Jing Mei De Yi Shu Pin. They're intricate works of art. Mei Yi Bi Du Jiang Shu Jiao Yi Ge Gu Shi, Mei Yi Bi Du Jiang Shu Jie Yi Ge Gu Shi. Each stroke tells a story. Mei Ge Bu Fen Du Gu Cheng Liao Ta De Jiang Ti Han Yi, Mei Ge Bu Fen Du Gu Cheng Lei Ta De Jiang Ti Han Yi. Each element contributes to its overall meaning. Dang Ni Shen Ru Liao Ji Jie Ge Shi Ji, Dang Ni Shen Ru Liao Ji Jie Ge Shi Ji. As you delve deeper into this world, Ni Hui Fa Xian Shui Shi Yi Zi Bu Jin Jin Shi Ji Ju Xing Zhuang, Ni Hui Fa Xian Shui Xi Han Zi Bu Jin Jin Shi Ji Ju Xing Zhuang. You'll discover that learning Chinese characters isn't just about memorizing shapes. Shi Kai Chi Yi Chong Xin De Si Wei Fang Shi, Shi Kai Ki Yi Zhong Xin De Si Wei Fang Shi. It's about unlocking a new way of thinking. Yi Chong Xin De Kan Dai Shi Ji De Fang Shi, Yi Zhong Xin De Kan Dai Shi Ji De Fang Shi. A new way of seeing the world. Che Huan Neng Liao Ji Dao Ji Qian Nian De Yu Ju Li Shi He Wen Hua. Ki Hai Neng Liao Ji Dao Ji Qian Nian De Yu Ju Li Shi He Wen Hua. It's about connecting with a rich history and culture that spans millennia. Suo Yi, Junbei Hao Kai Shi Zhe Duan Qi Miao De Mu Xian Ba. Suo Yi, Junbei Hao Kai Shi Zhe Duan Qi Miao De Mao Xian Ba. So get ready to embark on this incredible adventure. Rang Wo Men Kong Yi Zi De Ji Ben Zhu Cheng Bu Fen. Bi Hua Kai Shi Wo Men De Lu Cheng. Rang Women Kong Hanzi De Ji Ben Zhu Cheng Bu Fen. Bi Hua Kai Shi Women De Lu Cheng. Let's begin our journey by exploring the fundamental building blocks of Chinese characters, the strokes. Xiang Xiang Yi Xia Gai Fang Zi, Xiang Xiang Yi Xia Gai Fang Zi. Imagine building a house. Ni Bu Hui Sui Bian Bajuan Tu Dui Zai Yi Qi Ba. Ni Bu Hui Sui Bian Bajuan Tu Dui Zai Yi Qi Ba. You wouldn't just randomly pile bricks on top of each other, right? Ni Shu Yalan Tu, Ji Hua He Jian Shi De Ji Chu, Ni Su Yalan Tu, Ji Hua He Jian Shi De Ji Chu. You need a blueprint, a plan, and a solid foundation. Tong Yang Di, Tong Yang De. Similarly, Shui Hao Yi Zi Yao Kong Li Jie, He Lian Shi Ji Ben Bi Hua Kai Shi. Shui Hao Hanzi Yao Kong Li Ji, He Lian Shi Ji Ben Bi Hua Kai Shi. Mastering Chinese characters begins with understanding and practicing the basic strokes. Jie Xie Bi Hua Shi Suo Yu Yi Zi De Ji Chu. Zhexi Bi Hua Shi Suo Yu Hanzi De Ji Chu. These strokes are the foundation upon which all characters are built. Zhuxiang Gai Fang Zi Shu Yao Jing Kui Di Qi Juan Yi Yang. Zhuxiang Gai Feng Zi Shu Yao Jing Kui De Qi Juan Yi Yang. Just as building a house requires precision in laying bricks, Xi Yi Zi Ye Shu Yao Jun Ke Di Ji Mei Yi Bi, Xi Han Zi Ye Shu Yao Jun Kui De Ji Mei Yi Bi. Writing Chinese characters demands accuracy in executing each stroke. Mei Ge Bi Hua Du Yu Te Ding De Fang Xiang, Shun Shu He Chang Du, Mei Ge Bi Hua Du Yu Te Ding De Fang Xiang, Shun Shu He Chang Du. Each stroke has a specific direction, order, and length. Zhang Wo Jie Shi Yao Su Dui Yu Zheng Ke Shu Shi Yi Zi Ji Guan Zhong Yao, Zheng Wo Jexi Yao Su Dui Yu Zheng Kui Shuk Si Han Zi Ji Guan Zhong Yao. And mastering these elements is crucial for writing characters correctly. Ba Jie Shi Bi Hua Xiang Xiang Cheng Yi Zi De Ji Yin, Ba Jexi Bi Hua Xiang Xiang Cheng Han Zi De Ji Yin. Think of these strokes as the DNA of Chinese characters. Zheng Ru Ji Yin Jue Ding Sheng Wu Ti De Te Zheng Yi Yang. Zhengru Jian Jueding Sheng Wuti De Te Zheng Yang. Just as DNA determines the characteristics of a living organism, Bihua Jueding Liao Yizi De Xing Zhuang He Jiegu, Bihua Jueding Lahanzi De Xing Zhuang He Jiegu. The strokes determine the form and structure of a character. Tong Guo Li Jie Bihua, Tong Guo Li Jie Bihua. By understanding the strokes, Niju Jiang Wo Liao Li Jie He Shuxie Cheng Qian Shang Mo Ge Yi Zi De Mi Ma. Niju Jiang Wo Li Jie He Shuxi Cheng Qian Shang Wan Ge Hanzi De Mima. You unlock the code to deciphering and writing thousands of characters. Zai Xia Yi Bu Fen Zhong, Zai Xia Yi Bu Fen Zhong. In the next section, Women Jiang Shen Ru Yan Ju Ba Ge Ji Ben Bi Hua, Women Jiang Shen Ru Yan Ju Ba Ge Ji Ben Bi Hua. We will delve into the 8 fundamental strokes, Wei Ni Ti Gong Kai Shi Yi Zi Shu Shi Ji Lu De Bi Yao Gong Ju, Wei Ni Ti Gong Kai Shi Hanzi Shuxi Ji Lu De Bi Yao Gong Ju, providing you with the essential tools to begin your Chinese character writing journey. Junbei Hao Ni De Bi He Ji, Junbei Hao Ni De Bi He Ji, get your pen and paper ready, Shi Hao Wei Ni De Yi Zi Shu Xie Jineng, Da Jia Ji Chu Liao, Shi Hu Wei Ni De Hanzi Shuxi Jineng Daxia Ji Chu Lei. It's time to lay the foundation for your Chinese writing skills. Mei Ge Yi Zi, Mei Ge Hanzi. Every Chinese character, Wulun Duo Yao Fuza, Wulun Duo Mei Fuza, no matter how complex, Du Shi Yu Ba Ge Ji Ben Bi Hua Zu, He Er Cheng De, Du Shi Yu Ba Ge Ji Ben Bi Hua Zu He Er Cheng De, is composed of a combination of 8 basic strokes. Je Xie Bi Hua Shi Yi Zi De Ji Shi, Jexi Bi Hua Shi Hanzi De Ji Shi. These strokes are the building blocks of Chinese writing. Zhang Wo Tamen Ju Xiang Zai Zu Cheng Dan Qi Ji Qian Shui Shi Zi Mu Biao Yi Yang, Zhang Wo Tamen Ju Xiang Zai Zu Cheng Dan Si Ji Qian Shui Shi Zi Mu Biao Yi Yang. And mastering them is like learning the alphabet before forming words. Rang Wo Men Ju Yi Tan Tao Jie Xie Bi Hua, Rang Women Ju Yi Tan Tao Jexi Bi Hua. Let's explore these strokes one by one. Yi, Dian, 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 Zui Jian Dan De Bi Hua, Zui Jian Dan De Bi Hua. The simplest of all strokes, Ju Xiang Yi Ge Xiao Mo Dian Qing Qing Di Luo Zai Ju Shang, Ju Xiang Yi Ge Xiao Mo Dian Qing Qing De Luo Zai Ji Shang. Like a tiny droplet of ink gently landing on paper. Hang, 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 Guming Si Yi, Guming Si Yi. As the name suggests, Kong Zuo Dao Yu Hua Yi Tiao Ji Xian, Kong Zuo Dao Yu Hua Yi Tiao Ji Xian. A straight line drawn from left to right. Xiang Xiang Yi Wang Wu Ji De Di Ping Xian, Xiang Xiang Yi Wang Wu Ji De Di Ping Xian. Think of the horizon stretching endlessly before you. San Shushu, Shushu, Kong Shang Dao Xia Hua Yi Tiao Ju Xian, Kong Shang Dao Xia Hua Yi Tiao Jixian. A straight line drawn from top to bottom. Ju Xiang Yi Ke Gao Da Ting Ba De Shu Shen Xiang Tian Kong, Ju Xiang Yi Ke Gao Da Ting Ba De Shu Shen Xiang Tian Kong. Picture a tall, majestic tree reaching for the sky. CP Pi Pi Pi, Chibiku, Chibiku, starts thick, Shobishi, Shubishi, ends thin, Xiang Yi Pian Cizi Yu Ya Di Kong Shu Shang Piao Luo, Xiang Yi Pian Yezi Yu Ya Di Kong Shu Shang Piao Luo. Like a leaf gracefully falling from a tree. Wu Na 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 Yashiki Biku, Yashi Chibiku, also starts thick, Shobishi, Shubishi, ends thin, Danxiang Yu Qingxi, Danxiang Yu Qingxi, but slopes to the right, Juxiang Yi Ge Renshen Chu Shobi Da Jiao Hu, Juxiang Yi Ge Renshen Chu Shobi Da Jiao Hu. Like a person extending their arm in greeting. Liu Ti 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 Kwai Su Xiang Shang De Yi Flick, Kwai Su Xiang Shang De Yi Flick. A quick upward flick of the brush. Xiang Yi Zhi Xiao Niao Fei Liao Qilai, Xiang Yi Ji Xiao Niao Fei La Qilai. Like a bird taking flight. Qi Gu 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 Gu. Kai Shi Lue Dai Kuxian, Kai Shi Lue Dai Kuxian. Starts with a slight curve. Jie Wei Xiang Shang sharply flick, Ji Wei Xiang Shang sharply flick, and ends with a sharp upward flick. Xiang Yi Ge Yu Gu Diao Dao Liao Yi Tiao Yu, Xiang Yi Ge Yu Gu Diao Dao Le Yi Tiao Yu. Like a fishing hook pulling in a catch. Ba, Je, 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 Je. Xiang Xia Bi Hua Yu Shui Ping Ho Xiang Shang Bi Hua De Jie He, Xiang Xia Bi Hua Yu Shui Ping Ho Xiang Shang Bi Hua De Jie He. A downward stroke combined with a horizontal or upward stroke. Xing Cheng Liao Yi Ge Guai Jiao, Xing Cheng Le Yi Ge Guai Jiao, creating a corner. Xianzai Ni Yi Jing Shouxi Liao Bageji Ben Bi Hua, Xianzai Ni Yi Jing Shuxi Le Bageji Ben Bi Hua. Now that you're acquainted with the 8 basic strokes, Rang Wo Men Tongguo Shui Shi Si Geji Ben Yizi Lai Lian Shi Yi Xia, Rang Women Tongguo Shuexi Si Geji Ben Hanzi Lai Lian Shi Yixia. Let's put them into practice by learning 4 fundamental Chinese characters. Yi Ren, 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 Jie Ge Zi, Jie Ge Zi. This character, Xiang Yi Ge Ren Zai Zu Lu, Xiang Yi Ge Ren Zai Zu Lu, resembling a person walking Yuliang Bi Zu Cheng, Yuliang Bi Zu Cheng, is composed of 2 strokes, Yi Pi followed by Yi Na, Yi Pi followed by Yi Na. a left falling stroke followed by a right falling stroke. Da, 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 gezi, jegezi. This character yisi shi da, yisi shi da, meaning big, yusan bizu cheng, is formed by 3 strokes, yi heng, a horizontal stroke, zhongjian yi shu, a vertical stroke through the center, he dibu yi heng, and another horizontal stroke at the bottom, san tian, jegezi. This character, miao hui de shishang, mian de tiankong, miao hui de shishang, mian de tiankong, depicting the sky above, yusi bizu cheng, consists of 4 strokes, yi heng, a horizontal stroke, zhongjian yi shu, a vertical stroke through the center, yi pai, a left falling stroke, he ding bu zui hu yi heng, and a final horizontal stroke at the top, si fu jegezi. This character, yisi shi nan ren huo zheng fu, meaning man or husband, yusan bizu cheng, is made up of 3 strokes, yi heng, a horizontal stroke, zhongjian yi shu, a vertical stroke through the center, he yi geshiang yu degu, and a hook to the right, jiju. Remember bi shun zai yizi shuxi zhong ji guan zhong yao, bi shun zai hanzi shuxi zhong ji guan zhong yao. The order of strokes is crucial in Chinese character writing. Zong shi kong shang dao xia, always start from the top and move downwards, kong zuo dao yu, from left to right. Di wu bufen, ji ju yizi, ji yi ji qiao lai bang meng, di wu bufen ji ju hanzi, ji yi ji qiao lai bang meng. Section 5, Remembering Characters, Mnemonics to the Rescue, ji ju yizi keneng kan chi lai hen nan, ji ju hanzi keneng kan ki lai hen nan. Memorizing Chinese characters can seem daunting, dan bi hai pa, but fear not, ji yi ji qiao, mnemonics, ke yi cheng wei ni de mimi wu chi, can be your secret weapon. Tongguo jiang yizi yu sheng dong de tuxiang huo gushi lian chi chi lai, tongguo jiang hanzi yu sheng dong de tuxiang huo gushi lian chi ki lai. By associating characters with vivid images or stories, ni ke yi gang rong yi jiju ta men, you can make them more memorable and easier to recall. Rang wo men shi jiao wei wo men, shui guo de sige yizi chuang zhao yizi ji yi ji chao. Rang women shi jie wei women, shui guo de sige hanzi chuang zhao yizi ji yi ji kiao. Let's try creating mnemonics for the 4 characters we've learned. Yi ren, xiang yi ge ren zai zulu, xiang yi ge ren zai zulu. Imagine a person walking, ta men de tui xing cheng liao, jege zi de liang bi, ta men de tui xing cheng le jege zi de liang bi. Their legs forming the 2 strokes of the character. Tongguo chuangjian ni zi ji de ji yi ji chao, tongguo chuangjian ni zi ji de ji yi ji kiao. By creating your own mnemonics, ni ke yi ge xing hua ni de shui shi tian, ni ke yi ge xing hua ni de shui shi tian, you can personalize your learning experience. Bing shi yizi geng yu yi, bing shi hanzi geng yu yi, and make characters more meaningful, geng rong yi ji ju, geng rong yi ji ju, and easier to remember. Ji yi ji chao ke yi rang shui shi yizi biande yu ku yunan wang, ji yi ji chao ke yi rang shuexi hanzi biande yuk yunan wang. Mnemonics can make learning Chinese characters fun and memorable. Bu shou shi yi zi de ji ben zu cheng bufen, bu shou shi hanzi de ji ben zu cheng bufen. Radicals are the fundamental components of Chinese characters. Ta men ju xiang ji mu yi yang, ta men ju xiang ji mu yi yang. They act like building blocks. Wei wo men tigong liao guan yu yi zi de han yi he fai yin de xian suo. Wei women tigong le guan yu hanzi de han yi he fai yin de xian suo, giving us clues about the meaning and pronunciation of the characters. Hao liao, hao lei. Alright, so shuo dao jiang wo yi zi, shuo dao jiang wo hanzi. When it comes to mastering Chinese characters, jian qi shi guan jian, jian qi shi guan jian, consistency is key. Mei tian lian shi yi dian dian, mei tian lian shi yi dian dian. Practice a little bit every day. Ni ju hui kan dao jin bu, ni ju hui kan dao jin bu, and you'll see progress. Chou ren chia, shu xie lian shi, chou ren ka shuxi lian shi, flashcards, writing practice, Shenji Ying Yang Cheng Shu Du Hen Yu Bang Ju, Shenji Ying Yang Cheng Shu Du Hen Yu Bang Ju, and even apps can be really helpful. Zui Hao, Zui Hu. Finally, Jiju Yao Li Yong Suo Uk Yong De Ziyuan, Jiju Yao Li Yong Suo Uk Yong De Ziyuan. Remember to utilize all the resources available to you. Yu Hen Duo Shu Ji, Zai Xian Ke Cheng, He Shiku Ke Yi Ji Chi Ni De Jue Si Ji Lu. Yu Hen Duo Shu Ji, Zai Xian Ke Cheng, He Shiku Ke Yi Ji Chi Ni De Jue Si Ji Lu. There are plenty of books, online courses, and communities that can support your learning journey. Bao Chi Dong Li, Bao Chi Dong Li. Stay motivated, Ji Shu Tianjin, Jixu Tianjin, and keep pushing forward.